What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on Mezcal Buzz, a special Mezcal cocktail video today because I'm going to give it a shot in creating a Mezcal en Nogada. Alright, we are in September and it's the month for the Mexican independence, which is right around the corner. So I wanted to work on a special cocktail recipe and try a little bit of experimenting with what I'm going to call Mezcal en Nogada. So if you don't know, Chiles en Nogada is a traditional dish that's served throughout the month of September for Mexico Independence Day. And I want to give it a shot and try a little bit of experimenting. So we're going to do a cocktail here. And so I have a martini glass here that I'm going to fill with ice to get it chilled for when we serve our cocktail here. So to start our ingredients, I have here Ancho Reyes, which is a liquor made from Chile Poblano. There's two versions, a red and a green. And I have here the green version because it's made from the Chile Poblano. That is the stuffed chili that's actually used in the dish, Chile en Nogada. So for this recipe, we're gonna use 1.5 ounces of Ancho Reyes. So let's pour an ounce, a little half. And I'm gonna use 1.5 ounces of the Creme of Nogada. So we have 1 ounce. What I'm going to use for this cocktail is a mezcal avocado. Avocado means that it's infused. And this is actually infused with cooked agave. And cooked agave is really sweet, a really ripe flavor that it's going to give this cocktail, which I think it's going to kind of mimic the cooked fruits that are in there. It has apples, it has pears, some of it has peaches that's cooked with the meat. And so I think it's going to give it some of that sweetness that we're looking for this recipe. I'm going to put 1.5 ounces as well. Normally I put 2 ounces in my cocktails, how have you been seeing? I'm just gonna go for it. 2 ounces right there. That's it, a real basic set of ingredients. I'm gonna give it a shake. I'm gonna shake this dry first to make sure the ingredients get mixed together before I throw some ice in there. So let's give it a good shake. Make sure those ingredients get mixed up. Once we have the ingredients mixed up, I'm gonna go ahead and throw some ice in here now to chill our cocktail. So let's throw a couple cubes in here. Cool. I'm gonna cover this. Ooh. Nice and cold. Let's crack it open. And since I'm experimenting here before I serve it into our glass, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of taste here. A little bit bitter from the liquor that we have here. This mezcal didn't give it quite as much sweetness as I thought. And so I kind of expected that. That's why I got a little bit of agave syrup here to sweeten it up. But I'm only gonna go about 1/2 bar spoon here. Not too much. And we'll just give it a quick stir here. And let's see. Oh my gosh, much better. All right. We're just gonna do a regular single strain here. Look at that creamy cocktail. Ooh. And to garnish it, we're gonna show some perejil on here, some parsley, and a little bit of granada, which is, this is usually what's topped off on the chile de nogada. So these are sinking to the bottom. I think maybe I could have put a little bit of more cream in there to give it a little bit of a thicker texture for the granadas to stay on top. But pomegranate, we're talking about pomegranate here. But I think I wasn't going for such a thick cocktail as well. And let's give it a taste. Cool. This actually came out really good. Some great flavor from the Crema de Nogada. The cream texture is really good. And the mezcal with that roasted agave really gives it a nice sweet flavor. So if you get a chance, get these ingredients, put it together. And thank you for watching. Let me know in the description what you think. Should I have done something different? Or if you're gonna give this a try. In the meantime, I'll catch you guys later. Viva Mexico.